Healthy Plate, Happy Tummy, discovering nutritious foods for growing bodies. Welcome to Healthy Plate, Happy Tummy. Are you ready to learn about delicious foods that make your body strong and your tummy happy? Let's dive into the world of nutritious eating in a fun and simple way. 1. Colorful choices. Fill your plate with a rainbow of fruits and veggies. They're packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber that help your body grow and stay healthy. Try to eat different colors every day for a balanced diet. 2. Powerful proteins. Protein is like the building blocks for your body. Eat foods like chicken, fish, eggs, beans, and nuts to give your muscles, bones, and skin the energy they need to grow and repair. 3. Fantastic fats. Not all fats are bad. Your body needs healthy fats from foods like avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil to keep your brain and heart strong and your skin glowing. 4. Supercarbs. Carbohydrates give you energy to play, learn, and have fun. Choose whole grains like brown rice, whole wheat bread, and oats for long-lasting energy that keeps you feeling full and satisfied. 5. Hydration station. Don't forget to drink plenty of water throughout the day. Water helps your body stay hydrated, aids digestion, and keeps your skin looking healthy and bright. By filling your plate with nutritious foods and staying hydrated, you'll have the energy and strength to tackle anything that comes your way. So let's eat well, feel great, and keep our bodies happy and healthy.